Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to read a story about the future city. Open your book, go to your language book on page 144 and 145. What you're going to do is you're going to read the whole story and circle the new words that you find. Okay? It's called The Future City 2120, and this is a story that will tell us about the predictions of the cities in the future. You read it, and let's imagine that I'm reading and I don't understand the word roof. So I'm going to circle or underline the word roofs. Then I am going to circle all of the words that I don't understand in the 2 pages. Now what you have to do is go to your notebook and we're going to create a glossary. So you write the title, Tutorial 4, Reading the Future City Glossary, and you're going to copy this chart. Word, definition, and drawing. The first word I chose was roof. So I copy the word roof, the definition I found on the dictionary, and then I have to make a small drawing of a roof. Okay, and you have to do this with all the new words that you find on the reading. Attention! Minimum 12 words, okay? Minimum. If you find more, better, but minimum 12. Remember, it has to be of the whole reading. And many of these words are new for you. When you finish, what you have to do is take a picture of your complete glossary in your notebook with minimum 12 words, and that's what you have to upload to Classroom, to the assignment. Okay, that will be all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.